Welcome to the Fixit channel, and today we're going to talk about two multimedia players that are excellent and might be a good idea to use to replace the default players in Windows. Now, if you're in Windows 7, you know that you have Media Player, which is not the best player around. In Windows 8, Windows 10, you've got the Movies and TV app or Film and TV that plays multimedia files. Okay, not the best once again. You might have needs for specific files that are, a little more complex to watch and that are not supported in the regular players. So why not take a look at one of those? This one, Videoland or Vlc Media Player. This one's been around for a long time. I've used it from Windows XP all the way up to Windows 7. When I moved to Windows 8, Windows 10, I changed for another player that I'm going to talk about that I like even more. VLC is a great player. It's open source. It's a very nice. Has pretty much all the options. Plays DVDs. It's available for Windows, for Mac, for Linux, for Android, and iOS. So it's great multimedia. You can check it out. The second choice that I have is Daum Pod Player. This one is available in 32 and 64-bit versions and is for Windows only. It is a great multimedia player. Actually, I like the interface better than the one on VLC. I also like, there's a lot of multimedia options, and both players are great. Maybe one of them is going to be more interesting to you, but try it out. These are two excellent players. The Daum Pod Player will ask you if you want to add a Codec Packs. I would suggest to say yes when it asks you for that, because it will add the possibility to play even more video and audio formats that are not supported by the default Daum Pod Player. So if you're looking for a replacement for the basic players in Windows, two great choices. I'll be posting the link to these two places, to these two players in the description below the video. So check them out. Daum Pod Player, Vlc Media Player. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. Give us thumbs up, and hopefully you like our tips and tricks videos. Thank you for watching.